Google AdWords 2026 Google Ads Certification Exam Training Tips. All you need to know. Question 1. Which Google Ads principle focuses on showing the right ad to the right person at the right time? Growth, relevance, integrity, awareness. Relevance, control, and results are the core principles of Google Ads. Question 2. A similar audiences list for search is built using which seed data? A list of past purchasers, remarketing list, generic keyword searches, competitor website traffic, random user demographics. Similar audiences finds new people with behaviors similar to those in an existing remarketing list. Question 3. What is the main benefit of using Performance Planner? It builds ad creative automatically. It forecasts and optimizes campaign spend for better ROI. It tracks competitor bids in real time. It writes ad descriptions using AI. Performance Planner uses machine learning to forecast campaign performance and recommend optimal spend levels. Question 4. Which bidding strategy is most appropriate for an advertiser whose goal is to drive as many conversions as possible within a specific budget? Manual CPC, target impression share, maximize conversions, enhanced CPC. Maximize conversions automatically sets bids to get the most conversions for your budget. Question 5. How does Dynamic Search Ads, DSA, generate headlines? The advertiser provides a list of 50 headlines. Google pulls headlines from the website's landing page content. Headlines are generated from competitor ads. DSA does not use headlines. DSA uses content from your website to target searches and automatically generate headlines. Question 6. What is the minimum number of active users required for a remarketing list for search ads, RLSA, to serve? 100, 500, 1,000, 10,000. RLSA requires at least 1,000 active members to protect user privacy. Question 7. In the ABCDs of effective creative for Google Ads, what does the A stand for? Action, attention, audience, authenticity. The ABCDs are attention, branding, connection, and direction. Question 8. Which tool allows you to see the impact of changing your target CPA on your conversion volume? Keyword Planner, Reach Planner, Performance Planner, Ad Preview Tool. Performance Planner allows you to simulate what-if scenarios for bidding and budgets. Question 9. Which ad extension is automatically generated based on high ratings from customers? Location extension, site link extension, seller ratings extension, callout extension. Seller ratings is an automated extension that shows business ratings out of 5 stars. Question 10. Why should an advertiser use Customer Match? To target users based on their physical height. To reach existing customers across Google Search, YouTube, and Gmail using their email addresses. To find new keywords. To hide ads from competitors. Customer Match uses your first-party data, like emails, to re-engage customers. Question 11. An affinity audience is best described as users who have a short-term intent to buy a specific product, a long-standing interest in a particular topic or lifestyle, previously visited the advertiser's website, searched for a specific brand name in the last 24 hours. Affinity audiences are based on lifestyle and interests, example, foodies or gamers. Question 12. What is the primary purpose of a call to action CTA in a video ad? To explain the company's history. To tell the viewer exactly what action to take, example, book now. To show the company logo for 10 seconds. To provide the physical address of the store. A CTA drives direction and prompts the viewer to act. Question 13. Which search audience solution focuses on users actively researching and intending to buy a product? Affinity audiences, in-market audiences, demographics, remarketing. In-market audiences are in the market for specific products or services. Question 14. How often does Google recommend using Performance Planner for optimal results? Once a year, every 6 months, monthly, weekly. Monthly planning is recommended as auctions and seasonality fluctuate. Question 15. What is the optimization score? A score of 0 to 10 based on ad quality. An estimate of how well your account is set to perform, 0% to 100%. The number of clicks divided by impressions. The rank of your ad compared to competitors. Optimization score provides recommendations to improve campaign performance. Question 16. Which aspect of a search ad is not automatically generated by dynamic search ads? Headline, final URL, description, display URL. The advertiser must provide the descriptions for DSAs. Question 17. What visual language element has the highest impact on watch time for mobile video ads? Music volume, pacing and framing, background color, font size. Fast pacing and tight framing are optimized for mobile viewers' attention. Question 18. In a video action campaign, what is the primary goal? Increase brand awareness, drive conversions and sales, get the most views for the lowest cost, improve organic search rankings. Video action campaigns are designed to drive specific user actions. Question 19. Which tool helps you identify new keyword opportunities based on search volume? Performance Planner, Keyword Planner, Ad Solutions Lab, Google Trends. Keyword Planner provides data on search frequency and competitiveness. Question 20. What does Target ROAS stand for? Return on ad spend, real-time online ad search, ratio of all sales, range of audience segments. ROAS measures the revenue generated for every dollar spent on ads.